really fast, so we're going to bleed off some airspeed here.
What's shaking, everybody? I'm Trinidad Flyer. It's a beautiful day. Let's go fly.
Clear prep.
Terrain, system test, okay.
Airfield. Automated weather observation. 1735 Zulu weather. Wind 140 at 6. Visibility 103,000. Scattered temperature 16 Celsius. Dew point 9er. Altimeter 3006.
Temps are good, so let's go ahead and do a run up. Looking for 2,000 RPM. Good 2,000. Exercise our propeller. Looking for a drop in RPM and an increase in manifold pressure. Do a second pull. We're looking for oil spray on the windshield. Don't see anything. And since this is the first flight of the day, we'll do a governor check. So we're going to bring the prop back to 1900 RPM. And the RPM recovers, and then we're going to go down to 18.4, and again the governor recovers, so the propeller governor is working. Reset for 2,000. Alright, we're looking for a magneto check. We'll go to left. We have a drop in RPM, about 120. We have an even EGT rise across all cylinders. Go back to both. And we'll look at the right magneto. Again, about 110 drop and an even EGT rise across all cylinders. Back to both. We have good suction. We're checking our alternate air. We have a drop. Oil temperatures, oil pressures, all in the green. And we'll do an idle check. Alright, that's a good idle. I'll lean for taxi here. Alright, departure briefing. We're going to be staying in the pattern today, so we're going to take off on runway 10. We should be airborne by midfield. If we're not, we'll abort the takeoff. Any other problems on the runway, we'll stop. Anything after takeoff, we'll continue and look for a spot in front of the wingtips to land. Anything above 2,000 feet, we'll troubleshoot and turn back to the airport. Okay, flaps are set, trim is set, fuel is on the fullest tank, doors secure, seatbelts.
Seatbelts.
Okay, good. Fuel pump on, lights are on, gears down, 3 green. Alright, let's go fly. Tipton traffic, Trinidad 411 Juliet Sierra, taking position runway 10 for right close traffic. Tipton. Alright, final check before takeoff. Switches where we need them. T's and P's are all in the green. Final is clear and the runway is clear. Alright, let's go. Alright, we're looking for a 70 knot rotation speed and 90 knots on the climb. P's are all good. Heels on the floor, away we go. Engine instruments look good. Airspeed's alive. There's 60 knots, we'll continue. There's 70. Got positive rate, no more usable runway, here comes the gear. Tipton traffic, Trinidad 1 Juliet Sierra, upwind 10, Tipton. There's 500 feet, flaps are coming up and power coming back. Tipton traffic, Trinidad 1 Juliet Sierra, turning right, crosswind 10, Tipton will be full stop. Tipton traffic, Trinidad 1 Juliet Sierra, turning right downwind 10, Tipton will be full stop. Pattern altitude, gear safe speed, gears coming down. We have 3 green lights on the landing gear. Tipton traffic, Trinidad 1 Juliet Sierra, turning right base 10, Tipton, full stop.
Smoke down, it's 172 Cessna inbound for 28 from the north.
Tipton traffic, Trinidad 1 Juliet Sierra, turning final 10, full stop. Okay, final turn, gears 3 down.
500.
On the landing flaps. Looking for about 80 on final. Gear down and checked, triple checked. Tipton traffic, Trinidad 1 Juliet Sierra is clear of 10, Tipton. Alright, we'll reset, fuel pump off, lean for taxi. Okay, reset for takeoff. Flaps are set, fuel pump is on, mixture is full rich. We'll retrim for takeoff. And final is clear, and the runway is clear. Tipton traffic, Trinidad 411 Juliet Sierra, departing runway 10, right close traffic. Alright, T's and P's are in good, we got full power, heels on the floor, airspeed is alive, 60 knots, there's 70, we'll rotate. Positive rate, gear coming up. Trim for 90 knots. We got 500 feet, flaps are coming up, fuel pump is off, and we'll reduce power. Tipton traffic, Trinidad 1 Juliet Sierra, turning right, crosswind 10, Tipton. Tipton traffic, Trinidad 1 Juliet Sierra, turning right downwind 10, Tipton, will be full stop. Alright, speed checks, gear coming down. And we got 3 green lights. First notch of flaps.
New Garden traffic.
traffic, Trinidad 1 Juliet Sierra, turning right base 10, Tipton will be full stop. Airplane wants to fly today, doesn't want to slow down.
Alan, are they using 06 today?
Tipton traffic, Trinidad 1 Juliet Sierra, turning final 10 Tipton, full stop.
500.
Really fast, so we're going to bleed off some airspeed here. Tipton traffic, Trinidad 1 Juliet Sierra is clear of 10 Tipton.
Are we doing
Low pass this time? Tipton traffic, Trinidad 1 Juliet Sierra, departing runway 10 right close traffic. Okay, reset for landing. Final is clear, runway is clear. Alright, T's and P's are good, we're delivering full power. Airspeed is alive. There's 60 knots, 70 knots. Positive rate, gear coming up. Oh, is it a Fox?
That was a giant ass fox.
Yeah.
Had the heart work out.
Alright, flaps up, fuel profile. Going back. Climb power. Tipton traffic, Trinidad 1 Juliet Sierra, turning right crosswind 10 Tipton. Tipton traffic, Trinidad 1 Juliet Sierra, turning right downwind 10 Tipton. Tipton traffic, Trinidad 1 Juliet Sierra, turning right base 10 Tipton. This will be a low approach only.
$500.
Tipton traffic, Trinidad 1 Juliet Sierra, turning final 10 Tipton, low approach only. What?
Never done that before.
Tipton traffic, Trinidad 1 Juliet Sierra, turning right crosswind 10 Tipton will be full stop. Tipton traffic, Trinidad 1 Juliet Sierra, turning right downwind 10 Tipton, full stop. Got 3 green lights. Fuel pump on.
All these circles we're doing have gotten a little nauseous.
Yeah, sorry.
It's all good.
Alright, first match of flaps. Tipton traffic, Trinidad 1 Juliet Sierra, turning right base 10 Tipton, full stop.
500.
Tipton traffic, Trinidad 1 Juliet Sierra, turning final 10 Tipton, full stop. Landing flaps. Gears down, 3 green, triple checked. God damn it. Alright. Enough for today.